let's move on. Is that Ms. Bradfield? No, she's still talking with them. What's up? What's Darnell Lanier?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go to Mr. Lanier. Is that Ms. Bradfield out there now? No, not yet. Okay. I don't see. Mr. Lanier, you must be here for some more time to pay or something?
I don't know, Your Honor. I got the tickets that I posted came on here at 1:30, but August the 30th, 21. And it say arrangement, SP number is 11739-262.
11739-262.
Yes. And I have another one that say SP number 11739-261.
And 39263.
Oh, you talking about the first one?
No, the last one. So what? Let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Darnell Anthony Lanier, case number SP 11739-263. And we will also call this case SP 111-44612. And we'll also call SP 1111-6081. So here's those case numbers that you gave me, sir. Those are closed, so we don't have to deal with those anymore. You obviously entered into an agreement back on 6/21/2021 to pay the SP 11739-263 ticket, but you never paid anything.
I don't think I have that one. What's that one again, Your Honor? Can you say that one more time for me?
SP 1173-9263.
I got that one. Yep, I got that one.
So that you owe $240 on, and you told me you're going to pay that. And we gave you some time to pay that.
You gave me to September 20th, and I just paid like $993 the other day. So that might be one that's still on the kiosk machine. That must be one of the ones I ain't paid yet.
Okay, so you got two more. So what we'll do, sir, is we're gonna set aside the default.
Okay.
For the improperly displayed or dirty, obscure plate. We'll set aside the default on that. Then you have a speeding ticket that you pled to on the same day. So what I'm going to do for you, sir, I'm going to dismiss the improper display of plate ticket.
Okay.
All right, that's going to save you $150. And
which one was that? What SP number was that?
You don't have to worry about that. That's going to be dismissed. I'm going to tell you the one you have to worry about.
Okay.
Then you have SP 1111-6081. And that says you owe $210. So what I see here for this one, we're going to waive the late fees for you. And we're going to waive the reinstatement fees. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So you're gonna have to pay the 240, and then you're gonna have to pay 135 for you're gonna have to pay for SP 11116081, you're gonna have to pay $135.
Okay.
And for SP 11739263, you're gonna have to pay the $240.
Okay.
And I dismissed the other one, all right?
Okay.
Since you've gone a long way to get these matters behind you, I can help you a little bit more today. And the fact that you zoomed in and you're on top of the stuff, all right? So keep it up. Just try not to get any more tickets.
Yes, sir.
All right, so any other questions, sir?
No, sir.
So here on this one, I put the 135. That's what we originally charged them. Now let me put a date in here. When are you gonna have this stuff paid by?
Like I said, I just paid $993 the other day, so.
Well, just give me a date, sir, so that it doesn't go back here and get these warrants and these fees again. So give me a realistic date.
I'm supposed to be back on court with you by September 28th. So by then I should have everything paid.
All right. Why are you coming back to court with me September the 28th?
I don't know. I have another like 3 more that say 9/28/21. So, and that's at 132 for some reason.
No, you're not going to be here. You don't have to come back.
So I disregard these.
Disregard.
Okay.
Yes, disregard that. I don't see anything else that you have. Now you can come on in the court if you want to.
No, no.
All right. I don't see anything that you have other than the payment. So I want to put a date on that payment. So is 30 days going to get you there, sir?
Give me to about December 15th.
December?
No.
I'm gonna give you October 29th.
September 29th?
October 29th.
That's good.
All right, if you don't get it paid by October 29th, you're gonna have to zoom back in, or it's gonna go back into late fee status and warrant status.
Oh, trust me, it'll be paid.
All right, very well. Have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right, let's see what's Mrs. Oh, you back, Miss Bradfield?
Yes, Your Honor.
What does Mr. Lee want to do?
Mr. Lee would like to ask that these matters be set for formal hearing, Your Honor.
It's going to be a formal hearing. Are all these civil infractions?
Well, I think only one, Mr.
Hearing
and
and a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
He's got a valid license. They gave him a ticket for driving while license suspended. Are we just going to dismiss that? How many charges? It's got 4 charges: 3 civil infractions, driving while license suspended, and 3 civil infractions. Improper turn accident, no valid registration, no proof of insurance. I'm just talking about, are we bringing the officer in for the, well, he's gonna be in anyway. So we'll just set it for a trial date. What was the original offer? There was The original offer was to plead to the accident and failure to display. Yeah, he doesn't want to plead to that. So we'll set a trial date. Trial date, December 13th, 2021 at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You got it? All right.
Mr.
We'll
Lee?
see you back.
Yes, yes.
All right, we'll see you back then, Mr. Lee. You got that date?
December 13th, 2021 at 9 o'clock. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Have a great day, sir.
You too.
Mr. Lynch.
Yes,
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
yes.
Okay, so here, let's call your cases. This is the City of Detroit versus Clyde Darnell Lynch. Case number SP 11699907, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 116999991 and SP 117003661. So, Mr. Leach, there's no offer in the file. Apparently, for some reason, there is a note here to need to speak with officers, no reduced plea. Okay, I guess that's for, yes.
For ticket number SP 117003661, could you state the full charge on that, please?
Here's a problem too. There's a ticket in here. Okay, it says disobey an unlawful order of a police officer is entered into the system as disregarding officer's signal. So they both have the same MCL number. So I guess that's the reason why the city attorney was not willing to make an offer to resolve it on a trial date once the officer comes in.
Is there any notes on that officer notes?
No notes. Let me see if it's on the other one here. No notes.
And what's the MCL number?
Might I say something about this whole
No, sir. No, sir.
Mr. Orr,
Yes, sir.
we're in
Yes,
court, sir.
I ain't did nothing.
Somebody's talking on your end.
That's not on my end. I'm gonna hear about my stuff.
No,
All
that
right,
was Mr. Lynch talking. Mr. Orr, do me a favor and mute your line, please.
Okay.
Sorry about that, Mr. Orr. Everybody mute themselves, please, other than Mr. Lynch. All right, so it's written under MCL 257602.
Okay, thank you. Are there any officer notes, Your Honor?
No officer notes.
Okay.
So a person shall not refuse to comply with a lawful order or direction of a police officer when that officer for public interest and safety is guiding, directing, controlling, or regulating traffic on the highways of this state.
sir, may I say
Sir,
something
Mr.
about this whole
Lynch,
situation?
Mr. Lynch, no, you cannot. If you want to say something, you can go in a breakout room with me. The officer cannot hear your version of this ticket before trial date.
Okay, let's do that then, because this is all a lie.
Okay, if Mr. Lynch could go into a breakout room, Your Honor.
If it's a lie, we don't even need to go in a breakout room. We can just take the trial date right now. I'll put you in a breakout room though.
Yeah, he want to be heard. I don't have a problem listening to him.
All right.
If I could get a copy of that ticket, please.
Just this one?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Here's the ticket. All right, let's move on. Mr. Orr is up. You're up.
I'm on mute.
All
How
right.
you doing?
I apologize for.
It's okay. It's all right.
All right, let's see here. Let's see here. This is the city of Detroit versus Stevie Dwayne Orr. Case number SP 1173813, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Orr, let me ask you this. Do you
Yes,
have
sir.
do you have insurance and do you have registration, sir?
I didn't have insurance. I had my
Talk
registration.
about now, sir.
Oh no, I don't even have that car no more. It burnt up on me. So I just got
All
my
right.
license.
Sir, what are you have a license now?
Yes, sir. I had license then.
Are you working, sir?
No, sir. I'm on SSI.
You're on SSI.
Yes, sir. I get $793 a month, and my rent is $635. I pay my DAT.
All right, sir. All right, sir.
Yes.
You're gonna get a gift in August. We're gonna dismiss both the matters, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Thank you very much. You too. I'll get out of here or leave.
I'll kick you out. I can kick you
Okay.
out.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right. Dana Guntry?
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
This is the city of Detroit versus for the LaDana Renee Guthrie, case number SP 1173458 and SP 1173459. Ms. Guthrie there. I think maybe a little bit extreme here. So I think you may have been a little on the extreme side here, so. She's got a 11 to 15 over, only 2 tickets, and doesn't have much in the way of history at all. Maybe we can give her the blocking traffic and a little bit of lecture, and don't come back again. You hear that, Miss Guthrie?
Yes.
You got to slow down, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm going to give you a little bit of a gift, not quite as much as I'm going to give that I gave Mr. Orr, but we're gonna give you a blocking traffic. But you come in here again, it's not going to be. The city attorney wanted you to do the Michigan defensive driving, and I sort of agree with him in the sense that I think that everybody needs to take that course as a refresher from driving. But when I look at your history here, you don't have much of a history. Hanging out in the park. Well, let me see if you plead guilty to that. Yeah, hanging out in the park after it's closed, and then entering without permission. But no, that was dismissed, so I won't hold that against you. But other than that, the speeding has, you gotta slow down, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, you wanna take that deal?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Ma'am, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 fine?
Yes.
You understand you have a right to a trial, ma'am?
Yes.
You understand by taking this off, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what I stated in the record?
No.
All right, now, let me draw your attention back to March the 6th, 2021 at about 1:27 p.m. in the area of Connor and Minden. Ma'am, did you have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
Did I have who?
Did you have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
Did I have an occasion?
Did you get pulled over on that day, ma'am?
Yes, I did.
All right, and on that date, did you get pulled over for speeding, ma'am?
Yes.
And you got pulled over for speeding because you were in fact speeding, weren't you?
Yes.
All right, now, I'm gonna accept. I'm gonna accept your responsible plea to the amended count of blocking traffic, and I'm gonna fine you $175, and I'm gonna dismiss the other matter.
Okay.
When can you pay, ma'am?
I could pay it in a couple of weeks. Well, I could pay it on the 12th, September the 12th, 2021.
That's a Sunday. Unless you pay it, you can pay it online any day, I guess.
Well, the 10th is fine. The 10th.
I'm gonna give you to the 13th.
Okay.
Pay it, ma'am, or you better zoom back in because I don't want you to lose this deal.
Okay, I'm gonna pay it.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Guthrie, you have a very good day.
Okay, thank you.
All right. What are we gonna do? Is that Ms. Bradfield back? Oh, she's still babysitting. All right. Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Emilio Francisco Gonzalez, case number 217-291-921. Sir, I don't even want to know, and I'm not even going to ask. Do you have insurance now, sir?
Well, actually, sir, I got a company vehicle that I drive to and from work into the gym. It's my birthday today. I am shopping around for insurance. I'm gonna go today to State Farm on Verner and start insurance on my car. I cannot renew my license, I can't renew my tags or my plates without insurance.
Sir, you're behind the wheel of a car.
Yes, sir.
No,
I have insurance. I have insurance in my work truck. That's paid for by the employer. I'm talking about my personal vehicle stays in front of my house, parked in front of my house ever since that day. I was. Is that your work truck you're in now? Yes, sir.
I'm going to dismiss the matter, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
All right.
And I can't renew my tags without the insurance anyway, so I can't get away with it anyways. So I'm gonna get my insurance today, and I get my tags on my car tomorrow.
Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
All right. Is that Ms. Bradfield back?
Yes, Your Honor. In regards to Mr. Lynch.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Clyde Lynch. What would your client like to do? I gave you guys an opportunity to speak in a breakout room.
Yes, Your Honor. Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Lynch. State your name for the record, sir.
Clyde Darnell Lynch.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and wait formal readings.
All right.
Now, I would like to ask that Mr. Lynch matters be set for a pretrial date. I'm also asking that an attorney be appointed to his case in this matter. Mr. Lynch put the city of Detroit Police Department on notice that back in March that he wanted all dash cam and body cam footage from this incident. He have yet to receive it. So they should not have destroyed his the evidence in regards to this case. So he need an attorney appointed so they can file the proper motions to try to procure these items for him and to help in his defense, Your Honor.
Okay, this will be my first. Huh? Well, that's one question. I guess it would be a question of whether he's indigent or not. I don't know. To be appointed. So, Ms. Bradfield, let me know if you, on your, you probably have more experience in this than I have. So, what is your understanding on how it works, Ms. Bradfield?
There's a form for court-appointed attorney that needs to be filled out. Since the pandemic, what the clerk usually does is email the copy to the attorney go in the breakout room and answer the questions and email the clerk back the form. Once you receive the form, I can't remember, I don't know if it's Judge Sabri or someone else that review it to see if he's eligible for an attorney.
All right. You got that, Mrs. Lamb? Yes. All right. We'll do that. Mr. Lynch sounds like he's armed and locked and loaded to fight this matter.
Yeah, he's ready to go on this matter. So he just needs assistance to help him navigate the way.
Well, he sure got a good one, I'll tell you that.
Thank you.
All right, let's pass that matter. And Mr. Green is up there. Is that you, Mr. Green?
Yes, sir.
Waiting patiently. All right. Let's see what's going on with Mr. Green. This is the city of Detroit versus Deshaun Lamar Green, case number SP 117394, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11739501. And we'll deal with the other matter. Oh my goodness. Mr. Green, whatever deal we enter into, you're not going to pay it.
I am actually going to pay it. I was actually in the process of paying my deals off until the pandemic hit. And for one, they wouldn't accept my thing. And then I ended up catching COVID and things just kind of went south for me for a while, learning that I got a massive lung disease but all that's my personal problems, but things kind of went south for me for a minute. So,
well,
and then with the no proof of insurance and stuff, I had that was my mother's car. I provided that to the officer, and then after that, I was going to set the court date to show that it had insurance and that the light got fixed and all of that stuff. And like I said, I ended up catching COVID myself, so it kind of derailed me for a while. And like I said, with lung disease stuff and all this stuff, it kind of, like I said, things kind of went south for me for a while. But like I said, that ain't had nothing to do with the the situation at hand. That's my personal.
I would say that it probably did have a little something to do with the situation at hand. You articulated that you got the brake light fixed. You articulated that you got that you had proof of insurance on that day. And you articulated that you were in the process of taking care of at least those instant cases, but you got the code. So I will lighten up on you a little bit in that regard. And I'm glad to see that. I hope that things are getting better for you now, okay?
As far as the COVID, but you know,
you're breaking up, sir.
I said the COVID, yes, I got rid of it. As far as the lung disease, there's no cure for it. Just got to keep taking my medicine, you know, keep my tank on, and just as time go, they said it's going to get worse, but I deal with it as time go. I guess I can't do no chemo.
We'll pray for you, sir. But I just look at your record, sir, and this goes back at least 2017.
I know.
And you entered into all these agreements, and you haven't paid anything. So.
And that's the thing. I was paying on them. I was paying on through the kiosk, and that's why as you pay in through the kiosk, they knocks the ticket off. So it's like you can't pay it all at once. You gotta, when you go to a kiosk, you gotta put your name in, then they let you pay a ticket, and you gotta pay that ticket. Then however it goes, and then it just knocks them off. So I was paying on them and paying them off. It's just like I said, things kind of went south. So.
What do you want to do? What do you want to
just went south. I can't.
You're not driving now, are you, sir?
No, I'm not.
Good answer.
No.
Good answer, sir. Listen.
I'm barely go outside right about now. Can't afford to catch nothing.
Listen, sir. You've convinced us. Sir, we're going to dismiss these matters. This is a Christmas gift in August for you. And I'll tell you this, sir. If you want to take care of this stuff, and you get some money, before you go on in there and pay it, you need to zoom back into the court. And we'll see if we can get rid of these discretionary penalties on these matters, all right?
Okay.
But today, for the cases we called today, we're gonna dismiss them, sir. Don't come back in here with another driving offense and expect to get the same love, because I won't.
I wouldn't expect it.
All right, so I'm gonna dismiss these, and when you get some money and you're ready to take care of those, if you want to zoom back in, I can help you out with getting some of these penalties knocked down.
Okay. Is it a way that I can find out how much I owe in total?
Well, thousands. So let's start from there. When you get a chunk of money and you're ready to pay something, zoom back in before you pay.
Okay.
And get an understanding so you're not paying things with late fees and stuff like that on there. But thousands, sir.
I appreciate it.
All right? I'm going to dismiss these matters. If it's nothing further, sir, you have a great day. And I'll see you soon when you got that knot in your pocket. All right? All right, have a great day, sir.
If she want me to fill this out, or just email it to the court appointee?
Email it to her.
Not fill it out, just blank?
Yeah, leave it blank, and then they can fill it out together.
Okay.
How about we do this, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, Your Honor.
How about we give you guys a time to fill that out? Mr. Green, you're free to leave, sir. All right, he's gone. How about we give you and your client, maybe you can get your client's number and we'll give you a day or two to fill this out. And when you're done, zoom back in and or you can.
I'm not going to be taking a case, Your Honor. I don't do the court-appointed trials. I got burned one time. I got burned one time and haven't done it with payment and never done it again after that.
So.
I think only two people I can think off the top of my head that I know they do court-appointed trials, and that's Dennis Whitey and Ryan Hill's office. His office. Some of the like Coleman Potts is in the office. I forgot who's another attorney that's in his office, but Ryan Hill's office does it, and Dennis Whitey also does them.
Well, you mentioned something about helping them fill it out. So
yeah, I could fill it out. I could go into a breakout room and fill it out with them and email it back to Mrs. Nash.
All right. Well, we were going to close up for today. So why don't we do this? Why don't we? Do you have access to get this form, sir?
Beg your pardon?
Why don't we, well, how do we want to do this? If somebody else comes in, we'll just give them another court day off in the breakout room. You sent that to Mrs.
Bradfield, yes,
Bradfield? You have that form, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Maybe he might want to retain you, Ms. Bradfield.
Well, I don't think he may not have the funds. I know the court is going to decide if he's eligible, but I think it would be even improper for me to be retained on a case that I was house counsel for.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let's go. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Join that breakout room, and then you'll get that form filled out. Okay. And then do a pre-trial date for December 13th. 2021 at 8:30 a.m. That should be enough time for you to work out the issues and see if you're going to get that appointment. All right, sir?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that's going to conclude this matter. We'll just give you an opportunity to fill that information out and you join that breakout room, all right?
You hear that, sir?
Any further questions, Ms. Bradfield?
No, Your Honor. Sir, we're going to go back into the breakout room. You enjoy your day, Your Honor.
You as well. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. All right. Ms. Williams, thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow.
You're welcome, Your Honor.
Ms. Nash, I guess you can turn this off. Should I make you the host?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I can zoom out either way.
She'll automatically be host if you log out. If you
I log out?
If you log out, it'll automatically make whomever the co-host is, and I'm gonna log out, so it'll turn her into the host. That's what being the co-host does. It makes sure that if something happened to your connection, the co-hosts automatically become the host.
So which one am I logging out from? I'm logging out from the 36th District Court.
If you hit leave, that's just.
I hit leave, I think it's gonna cut all the way off. Join that room, sir.
I don't know what a button at.
The same button you hit before.
Don't say the breakout room. I don't see that.
I'm gonna put you in another one. You see that one?
Oh, yeah, you might be right, Your Honor.
Yeah.
I know typically,
I can see me as the host. I can remove me. I can remove myself.
Well, just rename me as the host.
oh, you
then.
can make her host. That's what you can
Yeah.
do. You can make Miss Nash the host. There you go.
All right. Very well.
All
If there's
right.
nothing further, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right. Have a great day.
We'll just tackle, so we not put anything else over there?
I mean, it doesn't matter. I'll do it all tomorrow.
Are you sure that's not too much?
No, go ahead.
I'll add some more, you know.
You can add more.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, Your Honor, have a good one.
I will. My son has a game today.
Oh, yeah, great. Did they win the last?
Oh, they won.
weekend? Oh, good.
This day is gonna be a lot tougher today.
They're playing some other,
A real tough team.
okay.
So,
That'll be good practice for them.
yeah, hopefully they win.
They're gonna win.
All right.
There we go. There we go.
All right, I'll see you in the morning.
Okay, Your Honor, have a good one. Be safe
You as
driving.
well.
Ms. Nash,
Yes.
I just emailed you, so I want to make sure
Okay.
you got it before I log off. I
Okay,
just
let me
sent it, so it might take a minute or so before it hit you.
Okay, it should be coming through now.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, I do have it. Yes.
All right then. You enjoy
Thank
the
you.
rest of your day.
You do the same. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.